Hi, I'm Alicia Katz-Pollock from Questiva Consultants, the author of the most comprehensive hands-on training textbooks on the market. Check them out at QuistivaConsultants.com. Today, I'm speaking to the bookkeeping program trainers out there, the college instructors and education program leaders who have been teaching QuickBooks Desktop for years, and they're faced with converting their curriculum to QuickBooks Online. Now that Intuit is committed to moving the accounting industry forward into cloud-based bookkeeping software solutions, it's also important that we as academic institutions stay up on current trends. I want to help you understand what's the same and different between Intuit's two versions of QuickBooks. In the last few years, Intuit has been pouring all of their resources into developing their internet-based version, which is called QuickBooks Online or QBO, while the PC-based version of QuickBooks has become stagnant. Since you've been teaching QuickBooks Desktop or QBDT, the transition to QBO will be a big change, but a rewarding one. We owe it to our students to teach them to do bookkeeping and accounting using current software. This opportunity to update your curriculum to include industry innovations should be welcomed by all instructors because you know that you are training your students for success in the modern workplace. Here at Questiva Consultants, we are committed to helping you through the transition as you update your curriculum. Let's start by exploring the differences between QuickBooks Desktop and QuickBooks Online. We think you'll like what you see. QuickBooks Desktop is software that is purchased, downloaded, and installed on a single Windows computer. Each company has an individual file saved locally on that computer. If you need more than one company, you create more than one file. If simultaneous users need to share data, each person needs their own paid copy of the identical version. Supporting multiple users requires a company server, and users who are not on site requires a VPN or a hosting service. When an accountant needs to access the information for taxes, then you have to create a separate accountant's copy and then re-import their changes. In order to take advantage of the new features, you have to pay for an upgrade to the latest version of the software every 1 to 3 years. QuickBooks Online, on the other hand, is subscription-based, paid monthly or annually. It's accessed on the computer through a web browser, preferably Chrome. Doesn't matter if you're on a Mac or a PC, the experience is identical. If you need multiple companies, you subscribe to each one individually, and you can toggle between them easily. Simultaneous users can simply log in as needed from anytime, from anywhere. Even the accountant can log in at will to import the data into their tax software. New features and enhancements are introduced on a regular basis due to user feedback. Now, I like to use the analogy of QuickBooks Online and QuickBooks Desktop being like Ginger Rogers and Fred Astaire. Ginger did all the same dance moves that Fred did, but she did them backwards and in high heels. QuickBooks Online and QuickBooks Desktop both perform all the accounting and bookkeeping procedures needed for businesses, both for taxes and for operation. They both produce profit and loss statements, balance sheets, and dozens of financial reports. But where they differ is the freedom accorded by being web-based software. QBO integrates natively with banks at no additional cost so that you can import daily activity, reducing your data entry. It synchronizes information from other business systems, eliminating redundancy. The automations take care of routine business tasks, freeing up staff to get more done, to serve more customers, so that those companies make more money. Innovative features like receipt capture, mileage, the project center, built-in merchant services, and online bill pay all natively address the needs of company record keeping. There's even a mobile app to access the data, create invoices, and take payments on the go. Perfect from everyone from soccer moms with a side hustle to field service technicians. Because of the ease of use, Intuit has experienced record numbers of small businesses converting from QuickBooks Desktop to QuickBooks Online at a rate of approximately 1 million companies a year since 2015. Bookkeeping firms are also converting to QBO only, enticed by the easy access, speed, artificial intelligence, and innovative features that solve real-world problems. The more you learn about QuickBooks Online, the more you're going to like what you see. Once you get used to the location of your familiar tools, we promise you'll experience delight at every turn. Order our new QuickBooks Online Fundamentals and Complete Textbooks at QuestivaConsultants.com, and we'll help you get started updating and modernizing your classroom curricula.